Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about water damage restorations companies in Portland who are Ruthless Constructions LLC. We hired Josh Ruthless after having an hourful experience with different contractor. When we hired Josh, we had apprehensive and our previous experience with other company MG Exterior and Contracting LLC. Mike knows this craft oil and went out of this way to give me very sound advice about my net deck. He is someone I would like be happy to work with in the future. Three Pointer 3R Constructions LLC. Martin did an excellent job with a complicated shower install with all water damage caused by the old shoulder unit that required replacing floor and joist. Martin was very responsive and able to work around several Johnny's Home Pros LLC. This job was a lot of more than drywall, but other options did not fit. The crew was on the time careful and consistent by the but best of all they did a great job. We had a roof leak and needed the tree pulled and Surya Construction and Remonded LLC, honest and very reliable and quality work. Kathy Green Construction INC, fabulous workmanship. I had KGC replace my roof and had skylights in my living room and sunlight tunnels in my bathrooms. The crew was great to work with and consistent about cleaning up and evening. MC Building and Remodeling Company, outstanding work called by the same day. We put in the request can get to Outlook to project the same day friendly and knows his works did the jobs wonderfully is fully our go-to person. Service team professionals about us as stops restorations. Our disaster restorations company focus on more than just fixing a home. We also restore your comfort and replace of mind. Our highly trained restorations specialists have no more knowledgeable tools, resources necessary to respond disaster quickly and efficiently.